In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags for contacts in Systeme IO. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up clear tags and attach them to your contacts so you can segment your audience, personalize follow-ups, and keep your workspace organized. First, let's open the Tags area. From your main dashboard, move your mouse over the Contacts tab to open the drop-down. In that menu, click Tags. This takes you to the central place where all your tagging lives. If you're new to this page, think of it as your label maker for the entire contact list. Everything you create here can be reused across funnels, forms, and broadcasts. Now let's create a tag. Look to the top right and click the plus Create button. You'll be asked to name your tag. Keep your names clear and descriptive so you instantly know what each one means later. Good examples include lead ebook download or customer, course A. Short, consistent naming helps a lot, especially as your account grows. Consider using a simple prefix like lead, prospect, or customer, followed by the specific action or product. Once you've typed the name, click Save. You've just created a tag that's ready to use. Next, let's apply your tag so it starts doing the organizational heavy lifting for you. There are two main ways to do it, depending on whether you want it to run automatically or you prefer to control it by hand. For automatic tagging, head to your funnel and open the automation rules. Add an action called Add Tag and set it to run when someone submits a form. This makes sure that every new lead who opts in gets labeled right away, without you lifting a finger. It's a simple setup that prevents missed segmentation and keeps your lists clean from the moment a contact enters your system. For manual tagging, go back to your contacts list. Use the checkboxes to select one or more people you want to label. Then click More Actions and choose Add a Tag. Pick the tag you created and confirm. This is perfect for one-off updates, quick corrections, or when you're organizing a specific list after a review. That's all there is to it. Access the Tags menu, create a clear, consistent tag, and then apply it automatically in your funnel's automation rules or manually from your contacts list. Keep your naming simple and purposeful, and you'll always know who's who at a glance. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging inside Systeme IO.